Hey guys, we're checking out Coco Plum Yacht Marina today. Are you guys ready? We're gonna go look at Coco Plum Yacht Marina today. Again, my name's Amy Prumo, Carden, local real estate agents here in the Keys. Give us a call. We're gonna go check out this marina. They're super cool. They got tiki huts. So let's go. Alright, we're over here in Coco Plum. We're on the ocean side here, and right up there is the gate. We got a lot of commercial fishing charters right up here on the left. So this marina right here is Marathon Blue Sailfish Marina, and then right over here is the Coco Plum Beach Yacht Club Marina, and you can see it's separated right here by the gate. Alright, we made it past the gate. We've got 52 liveaboard slips in here. You can see that there's parking, and a lot of people have a little storage shed. And then one of the coolest parts about this marina is they have their tiki huts. So you get an assigned parking spot, and then there's guest parking as well. And you can see there's lots of spaces open for everybody. And we'll just walk down one of the piers so you can see what it looks like. Got some residential homes on the other side. Most of the slips in here are about 80 in length, and then the beams are just gonna vary depending on the slip that you have. They've got showers and laundry here, and if you want to lease out your slip, you can, but it cannot be less than 6 months. I just love the tiki huts. I think they're so cool. They're super nice inside, some of them. Now the HOA fees are really reasonable in here. They are $176.32 a month, so really low compared to the other marinas here in Marathon. Each slip has its own pump out connection, but there's also a pump out station nearby. And I'm not sure if I told you, but we are right near Coco Plum Beach. You got some good beach access right here. There's only one slip for sale right now in this marina. I'm going to put the details below. If you guys have any more questions, get a hold of us. I hope this helps. I'll see you guys next time.